Can we talk about it? We are one step closer to The Walking Dead, to I Am Legend. They got these anti-aging drugs, and if you've seen any horror or sci-fi movie, as many as I have, you know this is a slippery slope and it never ends well. So the FDA has approved anti-aging drugs for dogs to keep them alive longer. And I don't know how I feel about this, because if you start testing and playing with what God designed, it never ends well. And I don't trust no scientists working in no government lab. The last time we trusted these people, we were stuck in the house for 3 years wearing sheets over our face and masks and fighting over toilet paper. So I don't trust scientists. I don't trust the FDA. I don't trust any of these people. And I don't trust anti-aging drugs. Again, this just sounds like the beginning of every zombie movie I've ever seen. FDA approves anti-aging drug by 2026. Nah, I'm good. Because that means y'all testing it already and y'all got a bunch of mutant dogs running around a lab right now getting tested on. And I'm not with it. I'm not with whatever y'all doing in these labs. We do not trust y'all no more. We don't trust none of y'all. FDA, y'all, we know y'all get paid by Big Pharma and a bunch of these other companies to pass regulations and pass drugs and vaccines. I ain't gonna say the V word. We're gonna say vaccines. That don't work on people. Y'all just rush stuff, and y'all rushing stuff to give to our dogs. And you know people don't play with their dogs. Can we talk about it? Do you really want a 50, 60-year-old dog? Again, y'all gonna create some new kind of hybrid animals, testing all of this on man's best friend, and I'm not really with it. Because I've seen I Am Legend. This is how the stuff start. Y'all start gene splicing and playing with genes and doing all of this stuff. And then you going to create zombies. And then I got to lead The Walking Dead. I got to be Rick. Know what I mean? I've been thinking about this for years since I first seen The Walking Dead. Know what I mean? The Walking Dog. That's what the show going to be called. The Walking Dog. Bunch of zombie dogs. And dogs is fast. Again, do you really want to make a longer lasting dog? That's this again. Y'all gonna make them more aggressive. Y'all gonna do a bunch of other stuff for them, and your dog living longer than them. It's gonna turn the planet to dogs, and we rule by dogs. You know what I mean? They're gonna start talking and barking. I'm stupid. But again, I don't trust these people. I don't trust anti-aging drugs. You know what I mean, unless y'all making them to give to me so I could live 1,000 years and just be on TikTok for 1,000 years talking my ish. But who want to live that long? Again, everything you've seen with immortality, every show, every movie where they try to live longer, they be tight. Vampires be sick. Like, y'all don't want to be a vampire no more. Throw me into the sun. You know what I mean? You seen Twilight. Edward Cullen, he ain't want to be a vampire no more. Like, immortality don't look like it's that much fun. You got to see all your loved ones die. But then, do you really want to be with the same people for 1,000 years? You know what I mean? Can we talk about it? Because you know this is just trial runs before they start giving them to humans. So we either going to be AI robots living forever, connected to the computer, connected to hard drives living forever, or we're going to have a bunch of anti-aging steroids and drugs inside of us living forever. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this. You know what I mean? I got a couple people you could test. Don't test no dogs. I got a couple people I don't like that you could test these anti-aging drugs on. And they're going to have to especially give it to white people because they got the crow's feet and stuff like that. So I know who's making this and behind this. Can we talk about it, though? You taking this? Are you giving this to your dog? Would you want your dog to live 30, 40 years? And again, we know dogs die faster, and we all love our dogs. I just recently lost my dog after 17 years. She lived a real good life. So I understand, like, we wish we could keep our dogs forever. They're part of our family, and they're part of our hearts. But do you really want, and if you know what your dogs go through as they get through older age, unless this is going to help their bones and help them not get sick and a bunch of things that happen to dogs when they get older, I don't really see the point of this. You know what I mean? Like, again, this is a slippery slope, because if you're testing dogs, you're going to start testing chickens. And do you really want a 100-year-old chicken? Or a 100-year-old cow? Again, they got to make money off this. So again, anything the FDA approves is something a big pharma is making money off. You know what I mean? So they're going to put a bunch of animals living forever. I don't know if I'm with that. I don't know. Because then they're going to test humans, and I don't know about that. So it's a slippery slope. I just don't want them to have a bunch of mutant dogs, and then we got to fight zombie dogs because they fast. Zombies themselves is fast, but they slow. You could get around human zombies. Zombie dogs. If you have seen Resident Evil, if you don't play again, we've been around. You've seen Resident Evil fighting zombie dogs. It's not the wave. Zombie dogs is fast. You got it. I'm good on that. Can we talk about it?